Everyone. So in my last video I talked about parallel routes. If you haven't watched that video, please do check it out because this is also dependent upon parallel routes. In this video I'm going to be talking about intercepting routes. So basically what an intercepting route is, that I'm going to be explaining. So intercepting route means that I can mimic any route anywhere in the app by using a certain naming convention in the folder. So basically I can copy, or I can have that route, I can change the original file for that route for like on the temporary basis. I can do that. So let's say, so I'm going to give you an example to make you explain that. So let's say if I click on product 1, so let's say the product page is very is very heavy, and it fetches a lot of data from backend, and it makes really heavy calls, and the UI is very complicated as well. So we do not want to have that complete exact thing here as well. So basically, like, we do not want to like directly redirect the user to product's dedicated page. We also do not want to do that. We want the product details to show up here only, but at the same time, if we share the link to somebody else, that user should be able to see product dedicated detail page only. So what basically I'm trying to say is, here inside, if I click on products, I see list of products, and I click on any product, I see a products dedicated page. So this is the products dedicated pages. So what I want is, basically with intercepting routes, is I want this exact view inside the dashboard card, exact view, but also at the same time I want that if I share that link with somebody else, I don't want that link to open the dashboard and the product inside a dashboard card. I want that link to open this product detail page. Alright, so let me do it and then explain it to you guys later. So let's say here in this part, which is a parallel route, which has the route as item. Now basically what I want is, I want inside this item to have an intercepting route for the product detail page. Now we already know that the route for the product detail page was /products/product ID. Alright, so now for that we have this folder which is products, and inside that we have the route which is bracket ID. So whatever the route we want to like intercept, we have to use the same name. Like this route has the name product, so we have to use the same name. We have to remember that. Now inside the item, I want this to basically intercept the route inside item, okay, inside this parallel route basically. So I'm going to create a folder, and now the naming convention is, I need to use parentheses basically, and inside this I have to write the number of dots, the number of levels I want to go upside. So basically if I write 1 dot, so then I am looking for that route in the same level. If I write two dots, then basically I'm looking for this folder in this level, which is this @item. If I write 3 dots, then I'm looking for the folder in like the same level as this one, as dashboard. So basically if I see this product is on the same level as dashboard, right? So basically the number of dots I need to write is 3 dots, and then I need to have the same name of the folder which is products. Okay, now I have intercepted this route. Basically on this route inside dashboard, I have intercepted the /products route. Now inside it I will create another, wait a second, I'll create another folder which is ID. So now basically I've also intercepted /product/ID, which is dynamic ID, and inside this I'm quickly going to create a page.js. Okay, now I'm going to name it intercepted product page. Okay, so let me just say this for now, and let me do the other things later. Now let me refresh this, go to the dashboard. If I click on this, I still see this route, which is dynamic id page. Okay, I still see this, but the route that I've intercepted is not slash dashboard slash id. It is not that. The route I've intercepted is slash product slash dynamic id. So basically what I need to do is I need to go inside sidebar here, and I need to change this link to slash products slash product id. Okay, so this is the route that I have intercepted. Okay, now let me go to products, let me go to dashboard again, let me click on any of the product, this one. So now this is basically redirecting me directly like to the product page, which shouldn't be the case. Now what I feel is this is the bug in Next.js that I've faced a lot of times. So I just want you guys to like know and understand this as well, because this what happens is Next.js cache does not update very quickly. Maybe they'll fix it in the next version. So what you need to do is basically you need to stop the server, you need to make a build. You can say like npm run build quickly. Okay, after the build is completed, you can run npm run dev again. Okay, you can start the server again. You go to dashboard, let me click on product 1, and now you can see that I am on the route slash product slash 1, which was the route for the dedicated product page, but I'm seeing the entire dashboard exactly the way it was, but I am seeing this one like inside the items banner route. I am seeing the intercepted content, which is I have created this, I have intercepted the products route, then dynamic id route, and inside that I have just written this intercepted product page, and that I am seeing here. So now it's up to us that we can have like literally any UI that we want here, but this route is intercepted. So now basically we are on the product pages route, but at the same time we are staying on the dashboard. We are not redirecting away from dashboard, because it's not a good user experience that on click of each and every single product we are redirecting user to product detail page, and then user has to come back to the dashboard again. So basically we are on the product page route. We want to show whatever we want to show here, but also at the same time we are not redirecting user to somewhere else. Now if user shares this link or somebody else open this link or we refresh this, so let me refresh this, we are redirected to products dedicated page, which is this one. All right, now product 2 intercepted, product 3 intercepted. All right, now what happens if I have like any id in here, like 5? Now it doesn't find that id because we do not have a product with the id 5, right? So what we need to do is we can have a not found page here as well. So inside this we can have, inside the id we can have like not found.js. okay, and I'm just going to copy whatever I have inside the products id not found. So this one I'm just going to copy this, and for this intercepting route as well I'm going to have the same not found page. Okay, now basically why I've added this is let me go to this intercepting page.js. now what I want to show here, so I am basically definitely going to get params here because this is a dynamic route. Now instead of showing intercepted wait a second, let me click on this. Instead of showing intercepted product page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to return the entire product page. So this is the product page. Basically I'm just going to return the original product page inside this card only, but this product page actually expects a param, right? By default it used to come when from the dynamic route, but now we need to pass it because we are using it as a component. So we need to pass params as whatever I'm getting on the top. Okay, let me save this, And as you can see clearly that now the content of product detail page is visible here. So I can click on product 2, product 3, and it is definitely visible. Now what happens that maybe I click on a product here which do not exist. So then what's gonna happen? So for that I'm just going to like go inside the sidebar. I'm going to go inside sidebar, and let's say that I remove this dynamic interpolation and then have like 5 here. So let me save this, and when I click on 2, okay, I think let me go to dashboard again, product 1. So see, now I am seeing the not found page inside the dashboard, so it's not redirecting me to the entire page and showing no product found. So this no product found page is now inside that card only. So now it will come for like every click, but when I'll refresh it, it will be the products dedicated page not found. Okay, so I think you guys very well understood the concept of intercepting routes. I think it's very interesting concept and it saves a lot of time. It's very optimized. So let me know if you do not understand anything. In my next video I'm going to be talking about catch-all routes. Thank you so much.